Hello, beautiful people. So today I wanted to do a quick video to show you all how to do a newspaper design. I have one that I posted up for sale. It's actually two templates. It's a bundle, and it's for Mother's Day. So I will link that down in the description below if you would like to go into my Etsy shop and purchase the already done templates for you. But if not, I did want to come on and just show you that you can use your Canva software to use a pre-made template that's already there to kind of make your own design. So what you're going to do is just go into Canva, type in newspaper, enter, and then they have tons of templates that you can choose and customize and make it your own. So we're going to go and do this one here. So I'm going to click on it, do customize this template. And we're going to stick with the Mother's Day theme. So I'm going to just blow this up a little bit. I'm going to change this title to, let's do Mother's Day post. See how that looks. So we can do Mother's Day post and just center it. Or we can do something like best mom times. It's a little bit shorter, so we'll use that one. Here I'm going to keep the same layout, and here I'm just going to put special edition on this one. I'm going to just zoom in so I can get this little bar to come up. And then here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to put the date for Mother's Day. So we can do that, and I'm just going to change the font and bold it. I'm going to go with Alice and do bold, and do the same thing for the date, and Alice and bold, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger though so it can fit more into that space. Okay, and do the same to this one, just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so here I'm going to just go ahead and change this to Happy Mother's Day. Stretch it out so that it can fit. And I'm going to make sure it's centered with everything else. Trying to get it in there the right way. And then here I'm going to just put like to a very special mom. And we can leave this just like this, which is fine, or you can change it up and do like a script font. I'm going to go with the Alex brush. And it does still transfer over into all caps because that's how it was when I copied this line over. But if you just hit this uppercase button, it will take it so that it will be upper and lowercase, or all actually all lowercase. And I'm just going to make this a little bigger. And I'm going to put this right here. And just again make sure it's centered. And then I'm going to take this bar just because I want to do another division line, and I'm just going to drag it down here and make sure this is centered too. Okay, and then I have my little bar here as well. So now what we can do is change this picture, and we can just find a picture of a mom. So we'll just type in mom, and we'll go and look for a picture that we want to use. Okay, so this one I'm just going to, because I like the size, let me try that again. I like the size and it fits fine in the space that's provided. So I'm just going to drag this picture over, and it's just going to drop that picture over top the other one and keep the same size. So the next thing I want to do is, I like that there's like a little description underneath the picture. So I'm going to just change this to Mother of the Year, and then I'm going to just have like just a little message. So I'll just put something to the effect of, Mom, you are the best in the world. I am so happy to have you in my life, and I love you very much. Okay, and then what we're going to do is, I like this box that's here. I'm going to change this to Reasons I Love You, and we're going to keep the bold and just take out all of this, and we're going to use these to make different reasons. So I'm going to put, you are patient, you are supportive, you have a big heart, and you love me unconditionally. Okay, I couldn't see what that was. We're going to zoom in here. Okay, and so now we have our reasons why, and we're going to just go in and add hearts besides each one of these. I think that would be really cute to do. So we're going to go to Elements, and we're going to go to Heart, and go back to our graphics and just choose our basic heart. Make it kind of small, and we'll just put all of these over here, and then we'll have a heart for each one. Oops, let's go back. I think that would be enough room. So after that second one is copied or duplicated, then the other one, the next ones will just go line in a row, which is great, so you don't have to worry about doing that. And then I'm just going to put these and line these up here. Okay, and I want these to be a little bit bigger to fill the box some, so I am gonna do this, and I'm gonna move this down here, just so that it is a little better, and it fills the box a little bit more. So we can do something like that within the box. I'm going to blow this up a little bit too. Okay. And then down here, I don't want to keep any of this, but I do want to add some more pictures. So we're going to go back to Mom, and we're going to go to Photos, and we're just going to find pictures. Of course, these pictures will be pictures that your customers give you, or if you're creating this for a family member or a friend of yours, it'll be pictures of them. So let's do this one. It can kind of be like when she was a baby, and we can put this in here like that. And let's see if there's another one we can use. Scrolling down. We can use this one. That's fine to use. So it's kind of like just showing, you know, moments of their time as mother and daughter. So we'll do that, and then this bottom part here, you can, you know, add anything that you want. I'm going to just put Mother's Day Special Edition, and you can keep that in the center, or you can duplicate this and just put volume 12. So it's more like a newspaper or maybe a newsletter. So we can do something like that. And that's just your front page of your newspaper. Then I'm going to go in and just change everything that's in color to black and white, just to make it easier when you're going to print. So I'm going to go to Edit Photo. I'm going to go down to Filters. I'm going to go all the way down to mono and use ink for all of my pictures. And then I'm just going to change my hearts to black. Okay, and then that is our front page of our Mother's Day newspaper. Now you can just have this and it'll just be the one page, and it can be used to frame later on, or go ahead and present it to the mom as a framed picture, or you can go ahead and make another page for the back and make a newspaper layout. So in order to do that, I would just go into Resize, Magic, and Switch, and you can go to, I might be looking over it. Let me go back out here. Yes, Customize Size, and I have the 17 by 11, which is what I used in the past, but you can just, for the video's sake, put in 17 by 11, hit Continue. Then we're going to go to Copy and Resize and open 17 by 11, and that way it'll put it in here for you. You can also design in this space, the 17 by 11. I like to just have it where I'm just focused on one aspect, and then I copy or resize it over. So either way, whatever works best for you. But I like to, when I do it this way, I like to just find my center, which I believe that is it, but just because I'm a very visual person, we're going to go to Line, and I'm going to just rotate my line, and I'm just going to mark my center so I can see it, and then when I go ahead to print, then I know where my center is. Oh, hold on. See that there was a line, something that I did not copy over all the way, and group it. Group. Okay, let's try that again. Line. And just make sure when you go to print or save this as a PDF, just to remove this line so it doesn't go into, so that's my center, so it doesn't show up when you're printing. But this just helps me just to make sure I have everything where I want it. And then when I go and design my other one for the other page, I can just copy and paste it in here, and I'll know that I have the right spacing that I'm wanting. So that is just wanted to come by and do a video to show you how to create your own Mother's Day newspaper, or any newspaper for any holiday or event. Again, if you would like to purchase the templates already done for you, I do have them in my Etsy shop, and I will link that down below. But if you guys have any questions just post them into the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you guys want to see any other videos as well, you can also comment below, and I can start doing a couple more tutorials for you guys as well. But as always, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day and happy crafting. Bye.